Woo! Dope. Oh, you missed it! Whoa! Wow.
What the hell,
bro? Oh, that was a little rowdy, huh?
I'm a fucking rodeo, bro.
Oh, damn.
You go first, bro.
I was laughing because all I hear is you saying, oh shit, oh shit.
Bro, you're so raw and chunked up, you know. I was just trying not to fucking wipe out.
Same. Yeah, I've never seen it that raw. That was pretty wild.
A couple of the jumps had weeds, right?
Yeah, it looks like they started some.
I should let you go.
That was crazy.
I should have went.
That was fun.
I thought it was better than that, but actually.
Oh! You don't like that corner or what? Oh! Yeah. Get it?
Say when?
When?
Good. All right.
Oh, sender. Oh, shit. That was so sandy. Oh, Jesus. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, I'm alright. I broke my handlebar.
No way. Dude, make sure you didn't get hit. Take your shit.
It's got so much speed. It's got like, oh my goodness.
Woo.
Oh shit.
Oh, dude.
God damn.
Wow,
okay, Kurt?
did you come up
I'm
short?
okay. I came up short, front cased.
Oh my goodness.
Thank God your bike took the hit.
You good though, for real?
Yeah, yeah.
That's a bad rip.
Your front rim hit here?
Yeah,
Hit the
front
front of
case.
the jump.
Reckless, bro.
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit. And it dragged into the ground.
Ooh. Well,
John, lucky, dude.
really lucky.
Scott's like, short, because you slow down at the turn.
Well, because I was like braking. I was in the bushes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You're going too fast?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
that's what I saw. Like as soon as I saw you scrub speed, I'm like, uh-oh, because I saw his speed, his
yeah.
exit speed. I'm like, fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna pull off.
Johnny, did you pedal from...
Do you think we can like duct tape it?
Nah, dog.
Oh, no.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Take my bike, dog. I'll take yours. You can take my bike. I'll take yours.
Dude, I heard snap. I was like, please don't be my frame.
Was it from your hands hitting, or was it
Sorry?
like your force?
Yeah.
Or was it the
Yeah.
ground?
Well, I'm heavy, remember?
So your force?
It was a front case. I was like, here we go. I saw it coming too. I was like, here we go. And as soon as it contacted, it just snapped. So luckily there was no abrupt on my upper body.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then-
do one of these.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, and I just rolled over the right. I popped up. I was like, I don't hurt.
That was fucking scary, dude.
This is like a good size. You got it. Speed.
All right, well, go faster than that.
That was crazy.
Sick.